This temple was built 1000 years ago.
When I saw Brihadeeswara Temple, one question blew my mind. How did they lift 80 tons? No machines, no cranes, but still they lifted 80 tons. How? Let's start from the entrance and explore the temple step by step.
We welcome to Thanjavur big temple. Sir, this is called Brihadeeswara Temple, sir. Brihadeeswara Temple is a Sanskrit word. Briha means big, the big temple. But the temple original name is Rajarajeshwaram. This temple built by Rajaraja Chola. Okay, Rajaraja Chola taken only 6 years to build this temple, sir. Only 6. 1003 start to build this temple and 1009 he completed. But 1010 he celebrated. So history says 7 years, ma'am. Okay, the full temple built in granite stones. But Thanjavur is an agriculture land. Around 60 kilometer, no mountain, no rocks, ma'am. But then how to build this temple? This all gradient carry from 65 kilometer away. Pudukottai Nartha Malai, sir. Malai means mountain. The all gradient came from 65 kilometer away. So Rajaraja Chola used 1000 elephants, 5000 horses and 1 lakh above prisoners used to build this temple, sir. Okay, here 4 dynasties ruled, sir. 8th century Cholas, 13th century Pandya, 16th century Nayakas. Nayakas came from Vijayanagara. Then 18th century Marathas. Marathas come from Bombay. After British ruled this temple, sir. Okay? Okay. I will explain you. Then you will don't understand. Please ask me again. Okay. Look at this. This is first entrance. This is called Maratha Gate. The gate built in 18th century Maratha King Sarafoji. Okay. And this is second one. This is called Keralandagan Gopuram, Keralandagan Tower, because Rajaraja Chola beat Kerala King Bhaskar Ravi Verma after return back Thanjavur, build this tower, ma'am. This is victory signature. Okay, sir. It comes now. And look at this, sir. Please come this side. And that time not available in cement or any gum, ma'am. Then the whole temple built in puzzle lock technique, interlocking system, sir, like this. This is male thing, this is female thing. Male thing only visible in outside, female thing not visible, like this. This is all our male thing, ma'am. Oh. And one more thing, sir, he used uneven stones also, because uneven stone is more gripped, like this. Look at this, uneven, small, big, very big, uneven stones. The whole temple built in same technique.
Not in a particular stone.
And one beautiful thing, look at this, ma'am. Single stone, 40 feet. Single piece. Outside 35 feet, inside the ground 5 feet, ma'am. Nowadays it's very easy, sir, because lot of machines available. If you want to cut the rock, fraction of second you will cut. Yes. But that time not available any machine, sir. Then how to cut the all rocks? That time only one technique available, sir. You very big rock, you put in a small holes and sizzled, sir. Then install the wooden pieces. Then daily water. The wood was absorb the water, then expand the rock breaking. This technique only available in that time.
Yes, even they have made such kind of rock cutting system in
Yes.
MP also.
Yeah, correct, sir. If you want to go, you will visit in Mahabalipuram.
Yes. No,
You can
I didn't go still there.
Yeah, it's okay. Mahabalipuram nowadays also a lot of rocks available in the holes.
Okay.
Like this.
That only. So here at what time the light show will start?
6 o'clock, sir. After 6 o'clock,
Every day it will be
yeah.
there? Okay.
The whole temple look like a gold, goldish.
So at what time the temple will close that night?
8:30, sir.
Okay.
Now,
Overall?
yeah, overall. Now inside sanctuary only closed.
Okay.
Open 4 o'clock. Please come this side, sir. And this is second tower. The tower name is called Rajarajan Tower, the king name. Look at the both side, ma'am. It's a single stone statue. He both are called Dwara Balagar, Lord Shiva's gatekeeper. See why gatekeeper teeth is threatening? Because he threatening on devils, ma'am. Devils not allowed in this temple. Only good human people is only allowed. And look at this, sir. Under on the feet Dwara Balagar. Python catch the elephant. Look at this, crocodile climbed down because elephant threatening, I am the biggest animal, I am the biggest animal. Then python says, you are not big animal, you are very small animal, I will easily catch you. Then elephant says, okay, I am very small, you are also very small. Look at the top, one person is here, the person is very big. Then Dwarabalaga hands like this, man. Then Dwarabalaga say, we all are very small, the God is bigger all of us. And look at the left hand side showing inside, the God is inside.
So the left hand shows like this, the God is inside. But this temple holds even deeper secrets. We will explore that in the next part.